Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're back at this account because my mom just brought me a new phone, yeah.
Guys, so
And my old phone just broke it. And so yeah guys, and Aki now has repaired and he upgraded and he's now using computer,
yeah,
but he can't use the
cell phone.
yeah, because bro, English.
I
Because
cannot use the cell phone.
bro, English.
Why?
He can't use any her phone because it's laggy, and when you install the Roblox in her cell phone, it will not yeah, it will
Bro, where
not
are you?
use. Hala, napupunta ko dito sa ano.
The black hole?
Yeah. Dude, stop.
I'm coming. Where are you?
Stop. I'm here.
Stop.
Yes.
Run.
Self.
Boom. Oh no, oh no. Run, exit.
Hack time.
No, run for run. No. Today guys, sorry about my cell phone.
Guys, grow a garden for real. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I hate scammers. I just got scammed right now, bro.
Yeah, I got scammed 3 times.
Because of that guy.
Yeah, we hate.
I got scammed by. I traded my what's
Guys,
that called?
Guys, comment below.
I literally, bro, help.
Where are you?
Oh, thank you. Someone already saved me.
Bro. Guys, comment. Say
Guys, I literally hate it.
what?
The scammers. I just
Yeah.
got scammed by. I have
Guys, comment.
Candy Blossom, but I got scammed.
Guys,
Oy! Help!
Guys, comment. Guys, comment.
This black hole! Nainis na ako.
Where are you, bro?
Nainis na ako dito sa black hole na to.
Nasa black hole ako.
Nasa black hole din ako. Nainis na ako dito.
Yan na. Help.
Bro, I'm me too. Kissing.
Let's catch someone, guys. Yan na, let's catch someone.
Damdam ko di
Guys, let's catch
Papasapat
No.
Papahirap sa kan Hey, smile army.
My army.
Di na ba maya po? Di na ba maya po? Gup.
Guys, comment.
Inggang gole what's
Guys, comment. We hate scammers in the comments.
Everyone chill. So guys,
We are sorry for.
guys, we cooked.
Where are you, bro?
Let's go. Wait.
Where are you? I'm gonna save. Yan na!
Dito ka na.
Nasa black hole ako!
Oh yeah, you cooked. Yeah, absolutely cooked.
Yes!
Sa akin ka na.
Oh!
Hindi na about gabi. Na guys, why Oh, cool.
Guys, like and subscribe for more videos.
Oh, shh.
Bro, I
Hindi naman nakalaya.
guys, don't hate.
Talo mo ko bawat gabi. Man nakikita. Guys, why is that thing always in why is that song is so popular, like literally?
Guys, can you respect?
Ala!
What?
Nahulog ako
Bro.
sa rail. Happy. Bombastic. Straight eye.
Guys, the bombastic thing is so popular.
Back in the 90s, joke lang. Guys, I have a bottle. Yay! I'm just joking. No means no.
Dripping. No.
Ouch.
Bro, I hate this. You're finally happy. You're finally not happy. Guys, sorry for the shout.
Bro, seriously, I hate this.
Bro.
Hard time. It's hard time.
Look.
It's hard time. 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 We happy. Happy the happy. Wait guys. Wait guys. Okay.
Please.
Talo mo ko
Guys,
ba?
please say happy birthday to me.
Guys, by the way, Aki's birthday is gonna be will be in July 30. So yeah.
Guys, please.
Talo mo ko, grow a garden.
Guys, my classmates said always grow a garden.
Yeah, all of my classmates are literally talking about grow a garden. Absolutely. Always. Kombohan natin yan. Kombohin natin yan. Yan. Go. Guys. Hindi na manginip pasinda ng ilaw. Minuman. Aray,
Sakit!
ko. Aray, tol, sorry, tol.
Up.
Sakalin. Hoy, yung glasses ko natanggal. Oo, yung glass ko natanggal. Ang smooth no. Did you guys saw that? That was smooth.
Me not see that.
Me. How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met?
Guys, please say happy birthday to me.
How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met? Bro, I literally smile too. How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone
Bro, I hate this!
How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you love?
Yan na, ang smart donation pumunta sa bakla. Wala lang sa'yo. Talaga.
Saan?
Sa back. And parang sa ano.
And down in me. Oh, can you look at me and pretend I'm shining on your rainbow map?
Yan na, smart that edition mo na. Tagdan sa back lang ka.
No! 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 Sige ano, babatuin ko kayo ng batil.
Yes, I have the knife. Shield back. No, 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 no.
Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I'm just so.
Highlight.
How did you get the knife?
Antenna station. We need to parkour.
Where?
Look.
Where's that?
On the last. Yan ay, no time to need.
What do you mean?
Just don't mind that.
Sana all.
I think the recorder is now gone.
Yeah, it is. It's still here. Yeah.
Oh, guys, you still watching?
Yeah, bro. Nah.
I'm confusing.
Bakit paano ka naka-enter dun sa OB?
Ano, tagdan, kailangan mo lang pumunta sa ano, sa doon, na yun,
Uy!
na yun, laba!
Uy, puro smile! Bro, my glasses. Her glasses. Here? You going here?
Yeah, follow me.
Where?
The axe! Yan na, the axe! Meron axe!
Saan? Saan ka? Where are you? Literally.
Here!
Huh?
Just go the basement! Here, the axe. Grab the
Ha,
axe.
shit. Saan tayo pupunta para makapunta dun sa OB?
Wala na.
Yung OB to kay...
Wala na!
Why?
Basta wala na. Wala na yan ah. Game over.
Ala! Grabe yung shirt.
Bakit?
Tignan mo to kayo. How can you look at me? Bro, seriously, look. I'm someone you never meet.
Yan, nasa OB muna ako kung ano. Saan? Oh, stop. Yoink! Oh, dop. Brr. Bro, this thing! Bro, I hate smiley things.
Hala, sino yun?
Yung,
May nag-kill sa akin.
sino?
I don't know.
360.
360, ro.
At me and pretend. I'm someone. Guys. In next video is Forsaken. Okay, Yana. Next
Wait,
video, Forsaken.
how can we... Oh, yeah, I'm broke, guys. I'm broke. I'm broke.
Bro. At me and pretend I'm someone you never met. Let's go now. Yan na.
Hala, napa-fire na. How can you look at me and pretend someone you never met? May nag-fire. Get infected or goon. Bro, look at this.
Sakit!
So guys, this is gonna be at the end. Yeah. Bye. Because it's on. Bye. Only minutes left. Bye. Subscribe. Always.